Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe. Famous TikTok boiled egg recipe with a combination of shrimps, plantains, ramen noodles, and also egg. Without any further ado, let's get right into the menu. So guys, to accomplish this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients needed: chopped parsley, spring onion, a combination of spices such as black pepper, cube seasoning, Szechuan complete, chili powder, and also garlic powder. Fresh shrimps thoroughly clean and deveined, hot pepper, total of 6 eggs, and also ramen noodles of choice. Next, in a pot of boiling water, I'm just going to go right ahead and add my eggs and boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, in a pot of boiling water, I'm just going to go right ahead and add my ramen noodles, chopped plantains, chopped parsley, spring onion, and also hot pepper, and just give it a good stir. After a few minutes, I'm going to go right ahead and add my spices. So friends, for your convenience, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. So here we are guys, after 5 minutes. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add my shrimps and cook them for 3 or 4 minutes. So here we are guys, under 10 minutes. At this point we're all done. I hope you gave this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any questions you may have below. So here we are guys, famous TikTok boiled egg recipe with a combination of shrimps, plantain, ramen noodles, and boiled egg. To finish it off, I'm just going to go right ahead and add some chopped spring onion and parsley. As mentioned, a complete list and measurement will be listed below so you can always check it out. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. As always, thank you for watching. Delicious TikTok boiled egg recipe. Until next time.